And hello and welcome back to the FDP on-demand video. I'm Greg Philbeck, and in this video segment we're going to be talking about natural language processing. Let's begin by talking a little bit about what we mean when we use the term natural language processing. Another way to look at it, another term that's frequently associated with natural language processing, is computational linguistics. And in this particular topic area, we're going to go through and explore a number of different topics. We're going to look at a lot of the applications that are available in terms of natural language processing. We're going to look at areas such as tokenization. We'll talk about stemming and lemmatization, so a lot of terminology that you're going to get. And then we're going to settle in on what's known as the bag of words approach, kind of discuss this conceptually. We're going to go through and talk about the naive Bayes classifier. I will tell you that there is a calculate associated with that. We're not going to be going through a problem here. Schwezer's not constructed, for example, an example for you to work through in this case as a part of the slide. But I will want to talk you through the setup of that in case you have a small calculation. Remember, likelihood is not very high that you would actually be doing anything in depth in that section of material, because it would have to be restricted to one of the 3 essay questions that are a part of the FDP curriculum. But we will at least talk through structure on getting that set up. And then we'll talk about some other natural language processing applications that are out there as we finish up this particular area. Let's begin by basically understanding what we're trying to do with natural language processing. The big thing that we are trying to do is we're trying to basically look at written or spoken words and be able to apply machine learning algorithms to be able to make interpretations based on that. And obviously already out there in the public, 2 that are very well known is Apple's Siri system and also Alexa from Amazon. So most folks have had experience with this natural language processing and the ability for interpretation to occur based on what would be spoken in this case. Obviously, as we move into this, one of the things that we'll note as we start trying to apply natural language processing is that we can certainly come up with problems where words may have several meanings. So for example, if I were to use the word cool, that could be sort of a slang term that means that's really great or wonderful, but also the word cool can be reflecting a weather type condition or a temperature type connotation. If I use the word fine, then I could be talking about a response where I'm agreeing to something, or it could be referring to wow, that particular outfit looks really nice. So again, as we start thinking about that, we could also, for example, talk about a fine that you would receive as a part of a penalty. So you can see that there are numerous instances where, again, words can convey several meanings, and then it's going to be hard in terms of machine learning to be able to decipher those out, and that's obviously